So before we move on to Very Ape, let's finish Corona. So apparently one common thing I've noticed is when I try and figure out songs by ear at the end of my work week and at the end of the day, I hear things incorrectly. So this has got to be the final version here. A couple things to look at. If you look at bar number 3, instead of going 2-4, we're actually going to go 2-3. It just sounded way better today when I was playing along with it. And then had to change some octave stuff in bar number 2 on the 3rd line. So line 3, bar 2, instead of staying on the 7s, it actually sounded better to play lower octaves. And then I had the 5 and 3 backwards on bar number 3 of the same line. So I labeled the top 4 bars as intro because we're going to play that again near the end of the song. And then at the 2nd line, bar number 1, is the beginning of what I'm calling the verse. And then hopefully you see where it says end verse. And then we play basically the verse a total of 3 times. Like that whole chunk there. So, because that's why I wrote play the verse 2 more times. And then we have those 2 extra bars. And then play the intro 3 more times. And the final note, just let that ring out. So I'm going to play this slow. So the intro starting, we got. So I just started the verse right there. So at the beginning of the verse, here we go. Oh, sorry, I didn't repeat. Started the verse again. Line 2 on the page. So back to the start of the verse. Back to the verse for the last time. Now we go down below that, play this. And then play the intro 3 times, and then finish with that final note. That's it. Alright, so let's take a look at what I got so far from Very Ape. So you got the guitar, it sounds like it's just at the beginning, then you have the drum fill, which cues in when you come in. So you're actually starting on the upbeat of beat number 4, so you got like a pickup note. And after that, you repeat that same bar 9 times. So it sounds something like this. So more than that because it's 9 times. And then the bar right after that is very similar. We have, but you have 2 16th notes at the end. So you have 1 and 3 and. Then after that we have these 2 bars. Once again, that is, which brings us back to that main riff again 11 times. After that's done 11 times, the same thing happens as before. The 1 and 3 and. And then I got this next bar that happens 4 times. So very similar as the previous main riff, just more constant notes there. Alright, so we got to start to that. We finished Corona, and hopefully we'll see you, or I will see you, next week. And if you have any questions before then, please let me know. Alright, see ya.